Hey there, tax warriors, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can make even the bravest among us feel a little queasy: personal income tax returns in South Africa. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at navigating the tax maze. Whether you're a first-time filer or just need a little refresher, we've got you covered. So grab your pen and paper, and let's master those taxes together. Alright, let's kick things off by understanding your tax obligations. In South Africa, if you earn above a certain threshold, you must submit a personal income tax return. But what does that mean for you? Let's break it down. As of the latest tax year, if your annual income exceeds $87,300 for individuals under 65, you're required to file. For those age 65 and older, the threshold is $135,150. So, if you fall above these numbers, it's time to roll up your sleeves. Step 1. Gather your documents. You'll need your IRP-5 certificate from your employer, any other income statements, and proof of deductions, like medical expenses or retirement contributions. Having all this ready will make filing your taxes a breeze. Step 2. Register on the SARS eFiling platform. This is where the magic happens. If you haven't registered yet, head over to the SARS website and create your profile. It's quick and easy, and trust me, it'll save you a lot of time. Step 3. Complete your tax return. Once you're logged in, you'll find a user-friendly interface. Follow the prompts to fill in your personal details, income, deductions, and any other relevant information. Remember, accuracy is key. The last thing you want is to attract the attention of the taxman. And here's a pro tip: double-check everything before submitting. Simple errors can lead to delays or even penalties. If you're unsure about anything, don't hesitate to consult a tax professional. Step 4. Submit your return. The deadline for submitting your personal income tax return typically falls at the end of November. But if you're using eFiling, you might get an extension, so keep an eye on those dates. And finally, Step 5. Keep records. After you've submitted, hold on to your documents for at least 5 years. This is crucial in case SARS requests any additional information in the future. So, to recap, understand your obligations, gather your documents, register on eFiling, complete and submit your return, and keep those records safe. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering your taxes in South Africa. Remember, filing your taxes doesn't have to be a daunting task. With a little preparation and knowledge, you can handle it like a champ. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tax tips and guides.